So macular degeneration is a deterioration of some of the layers of the retina. The retina is the film in the camera. It lines the back of the eye, just like wallpaper would line the inside of a basketball. And that's where the light's projected, and onto that, and from those light reacting occurrences, it sends a signal to the brain for the brain to interpret on what you're seeing. So the retina is the film in the camera. The very center of that retina, which is the only area of the eye where there's detail vision, is called the macula. It's very tiny, about the size of a dime. It's that small. And that's the only part of the eye that one sees detail out of. All the other parts of the retina are mainly for motion vision, movement vision. But this one little area is all of our detail visions locked up in that area. That's where the cones are, which gives us the detail vision. And in macular degeneration, these cells, partly genetically, partly environmentally, some relation to smoking, some to other environmental conditions, tend to have a deterioration in the structure of the cells so that they're not functioning optimally. And when that happens, little deposits can start to be inputted into the retina from the cells that just aren't working so well. So we'll see little smudge areas. Those are called drusen, and they look like little smudge areas in the retina, and that's called a dry form of macular degeneration. There's also a wet form, and the wet form you don't want. You don't want any type of macular degeneration, but the wet form means there's been bleeding occurring in this layer of the retina. Blood can just immediately wipe out the center of the vision. Well, fortunately, there are medications now that can be injected into the eye for a wet form of macular degeneration to try to have that blood resorb and clear away so that these cells, before they're damaged, can start functioning again. The dry form, there's no direct treatment for, but it has been found for over 20 years now that antioxidants, which I'm sure you've heard that word or term, including like lutein and zeaxanthin and zinc and whatnot, have been shown to slow down dry form of macular degeneration progression, as well as to enhance the vision of those that do have macular degeneration along the way. And so clinically, what I have seen is those that are on these antioxidants and have macular degeneration, even though their retina, their macula may be deteriorating further, it seems like their vision hangs on better than it would if they weren't on these antioxidant medications or over-the-counter pills.